Hello, in this video we are going to take a look at variables in a bash file. So let's open up our bash file. So it's an empty file, and to create a variable you literally put the variable name. So I'm going to say var1, and then to assign it something you put equals, and then we could literally just assign you a string. So I'm going to say hello there, and if I just run this right now, no errors, but nothing happens because unless we do something with that variable, like print it out via an echo command, you won't actually do anything. So let's just, use the echo command, and if I put var1, what do you think will happen? It literally just prints out the text var1. But we want to print out what's in the variable var1. So to access the variable in something like the echo command, you put $, then the variable name. Now, if I run it, we get hello there. Okay, fantastic. So we are getting somewhere now. One thing I want to show you is I've seen that quite a few tutorials miss this out, but I think it's very important, especially if you are new to Bash and you come from another programming language. In another programming language, you could do this. You'll probably see the color changed. The actual spaces wouldn't really matter. Watch what happens when I run it. We get var1 command not found. Any permutation of this, or this will not run. So if I run that, we still says and there is some problem. You cannot have a space between them, so bear that in mind. Okay, so we can also assign a number to it. So if I say var2, now I'm going to call this num1 equal 17, and to print that, same thing, echo $num1, and this will get printed now 17. So if I wanted to put this into a string, so imagine if I say this is this number, we can do that. Or what we can do, we can literally just put it inside the quotation marks. The terminal will know, or the bash shell will know what this is doing. So if I run it, we get 17, which is fantastic. Okay, so that is pretty cool. What about if we wanted to perform some sort of mathematical operation on it? So if I wanted to echo $num1 divided by 7, for example, what do you think this will give us? We get 17 backslash 7. So the way you would actually do the calculation is you do num1, or you can create another variable if you need to retain this value. I'm going to say that. I'm going to say result equals num1 /7. And now, today what am I doing? To change this to result, and we still get the same. So if we want to actually do it like this, need to put it in brackets. Still did not work. That was strange. What am I missing? What am I missing? There we go. Okay, sorry. So to do the mathematical calculation, you cannot do it like this. You need to have two brackets, which will indicate there's some sort of mathematical operation going on there. With the value that you want to assign it to, then you want to access the variable, and if we just do it without the $sign, that will work as well. That is totally up to you. It depends on your preference. Okay, so you might be thinking this has just yielded a result of 2. The result should be a decimal, really, because 17 divided by 2 is like 2.4 something. But before I show you that, let me show you if you do actually want to do it in line. So if you want to do $num1 divided by 7, you can actually do it if you put the vertical pipe BC, which says that a mathematical operation is occurring on this echo command. Now if I run it, we get the value 2. If, for example, you actually want to do this and show any floating point values, aka the decimal part, you can put BC-L. Now if I run it, we get the decimal part as well. And really, apart from that, not much more that you need to know about variables. We'll be using them later in this series, so inevitably you'll probably learn more about them, but this is the basics that you need to know. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.